Hey guys, welcome back to another drawing. I hope you are fine and doing well. I really had an awesome time drawing this portrait of Vidya Balan, and I encourage you to do some creative things in the lockdown time. So let us discuss what are the instruments we are going to use in this drawing. So this is a ivory sheet, A4 size ivory sheet, okay, and 200 GSM, and for this is a Staedtler mass luminograph pencil. This is a mechanical pencil we are going to use for light shade. Okay, we are going to use for this one light shade like face and cheeks. We are going to use in this area particularly. Then coming to 4B pencil, Staedtler brand it is. I'm using basically Staedtler brand. So Staedtler 4B pencil, we are going to just more darker part in the face for smooth texture in the skin. So here 4B pencil, and we are going to use 6B pencil. We are going to use 6B pencil for more darker area. Okay, for more darker area like neck and eye part and hair part also we are going to use some of the hair part, not fully hair. It is more darker than this is. Okay, then we are going to use 8B pencil. This is 8B pencil. Okay, and it is the darker part we are going to use. This is in hair and any of the designs we are going to use this one. Then coming to charcoal pencil. Okay, I am having charcoal pencil. Moreover, we are going to use charcoal pencil for this, for hair and background also. Charcoal pencil is coming. This one is hard, soft, medium. Okay, soft is the best one for shading. It blends nicely also. Okay, so we are going to use charcoal pencil also. Camlin brand this is, and we are going to use earbud. We are going to use earbud for blending purpose. Okay, we are going to use this, gives a smooth texture. Also we are going to use eraser, general eraser and kneaded eraser also. I am having kneaded eraser. You can use kneaded eraser. And yes, the roll of white gel pen, that is very much important for highlighting small areas. Okay, so we are going to use white gel pen also. Also I am having charcoal stick, that is also, this is soft charcoal stick. Okay, soft charcoal stick I am having. We can use this one. This is having also different soft, hard, medium also charcoal sticks are there, and Briano, this is brand. So we can use this for background shading also. And this is a blank gel pen. This is empty gel pen. We are going to use this gel pen for shading, means for one line here, means first we will put this gel, after that we will shade there, so that we will get the hair's texture. So, and this is one Chotu I am having, 8B pencil. This is also completed it is. So we have to now, he will take retirement after this one. After this drawing he will take retirement. We will keep it for storage. Okay, so this many things I am going to use for the next drawing. Okay, so let's start the drawing.